Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain the poem Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening. This poem is from your English literature book, and the poem is written by Robert Frost. Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village, though he will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near, between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. In this poem, the poet says that here the meaning of wood is, students, first of all I would like to say that meaning of wood is forest. So the poet says that whose woods these are, I think I know. He says that the forest belongs to him, the jungle kiska, he knows. His house is in the village. Maybe that person is living in the village only. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. He says the owner will not know that Robert Frost is waiting, stopping there in the woods to watch his woods fill up with snow. Because the evening is snowy, according to the टाइटल ओनली वी कम टू नो दैट इट इज़ स्नोई इवनिंग. स्नोई मीन्स बर्फ़ गिर रही है, तो द वुड्स आर फिल्ड विथ स्नो. और उसकी ब्यूटी को देखने के लिए द पोएट, उसको ये ब्यूटी इतनी सुंदर लग रही, ही वॉन्ट्स टू वेट देयर टू सी द ब्यूटी ऑफ द वुड्स. इन सेकेंड स्टैंजा, माई लिटिल हॉर्स मस्ट थिंक इट क्वेयर टू स्टॉप विदाउट अ फार्म हाउस नियर. नाउ द पोएट इज़ विथ हिज हॉर्स, उसके पास एक घोड़ा है, एंड ही सेज दैट उसको कुछ अजीब लग रहा था. क्वेयर मीन्स स्ट्रेंज. उसके हॉर्स को कुछ स्ट्रेंज लग रहा होगा बिकॉज देर इज़ नो फार्म हाउस नियर एंड ही इज स्टॉपिंग बाई द वुड्स बिटवीन द वुड्स एंड फ्रोजन लेक. वुड्स और फ्रोजन लेक के बीच में वो रुका है, एंड द इवनिंग इज़ द डार्केस्ट इवनिंग, सबसे अंधेरी रात है. ही गिव्स हिज हार्नेस बेल्स अ शेक टू आस्क इफ देयर इज सम मिस्टेक. गिव्स हिज हार्नेस बेल्स अ शेक, उसके गले में जो घंटी है उनको हिला रहा है. कौन? द हॉर्स. Why he is doing so? So that he is able to remind the poet that if he is making some mistake or not. The only other sound the sweep of easy wind and downy flakes. Now the one sound is made by the horse, the shaking of harness bells, and the other sound is sweep of easy wind and downy flakes. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Now the poet says that woods are very lovely. He wants to stay there. The woods are dark, deep, but he has some promises. Means life में और भी problems हैं, और भी चीज़ें हैं, काम और करने हैं. If we see the beauty somewhere, कहीं भी ब्यूटी देख के we can't stop there because we have obligations. We have to fulfill more duties in our life. Now on surface this poem is simplicity itself. The speaker is stopping by some woods on a snowy evening. He or she takes in lovely scene in near silence. Lovely scene दिखाई दे रहा है, then he wants to stay there, but the obligations and considerable distance he has to travel. He has some obligations and has some distance to travel before he rests. Now it is given that miles to go before I sleep. What is the meaning of miles to go before I sleep? Means this line refers to a long journey ahead before the this line say that he has to fulfill many responsibilities before sleeping or dying. That is all in this poem. Okay, good day all of you.